Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you how callback works and what is the definition of it and what is the meaning of it and what is the actual working of it. Okay. So we can start with the definition of it. Okay. So I am writing the definition here itself so that you can understand each and everything. Okay. So a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of some some operation. Okay, so this is the definition of it. Okay, so a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of some operation. Okay, so I am just showing you the real piece of code. So I am just creating one function called abc. Okay, and I am passing the parameter called cb. Okay, and under this function I am just console log a simple piece of string that is hello world. Okay, and I am adding this callback here after that. Okay, and again I am creating one another function called def. Okay, and for the delay purpose I am using set timeout to display the output after some delay. Okay, and that delay is for 2 seconds, and under that I am just console log hello world 2. Okay, and I'm just invoking the function abc, and under that function I'm just calling def. Okay, so under abc I am just adding the def, passing def as an argument. Okay, so let's see with the definition. A callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. So it means that def is a callback function which is passed as an argument to another function, that is abc, and is executed after the completion of some operation. So this callback function is executed. Okay, is executed after the completion of this function. Okay, so this def is a callback function. Okay, so this def is passed here as an argument, is a callback function which is passed under the abc function as an argument, and it is executed after the completion of some operation, that is this function. Okay, so this all piece of code shows that how callback function works and what is the concept of this callback.